Hello students, myself Dr. Suman Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Language University, and this is my B profile. And now today we start a new topic, artificial intelligence. And in present scenario, AI art, AI is the very important and emergent field in computer science. And in AI, given the different type of the definitions, George Laris says the branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. Means कि in computer science, in computer it says कि computer no IQ, but in artificial intelligence fields develop a IQ labels, and IQ labels and perform all the work to the automatically. It is a main concern in artificial intelligence people. And second is the collection of the problems and methodology studied by the artificial intelligence researchers. Okay, different type of the problems, and AI comes to the different areas: data mining, data warehouse, and different type of the web applications, and robotics, and playing games, and natural processing language, and etc. It is a second definitions. But Charmick and McDormand's 1985 given the definition, the study of the mental faculties through the use of the computational models, means it develop the like a human brains, and given the different type of the knowledge comes in the artificial intelligence. Suppose that ki in our minds a collection of the neurons, and one neuron connect to the another neuron through the dendrites, and two type of the brain, left brain and right brain, and right brain connect to the left brain through the dendrites, and in the liquid parts is called the spectrums. And second is the develop the human beings minds in artificial intelligence fields. And 1992 Benson given the definition, the study of the competition that makes it possible to perceive reasons and acts, means कि develop a knowledge management systems. The supported basis of the experience comes to the knowledge in human beings. So same concept used in the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means कि supported कि two type of the experience, formal or informal. Formal experiences comes to the as it is stored in the database management system, but informals comes to the previous experience and take the decisions behalf of the previous experience. It is concerned in the data warehouse. And next, given the definition in 1990, a field of study that seeks to explain and emulate intelligent behavior in terms of computational process, means कि through the computational process कि it is converted into the human brain thinkings, and given the different another definitions. And now discuss the AI area, artificial intelligence area. So first area is game playing. In 1998, Gary Kasparov defeated the supercomputer in chess game. But 1999, supercomputer defeat to Gary Kasparov in chess game. How? How to possible? Then it is a read the all the steps in Gary Kasparov, and then it is a next times supercomputers defeat to Gary Kasparov. And game playing comes to the different type of the game: checkers, chess, bridge, scrabbles, right? And first define the rules and regulations. And at present time, using the different type of the artificial intelligence games, Pogo, and like a Ludo, chess, all the example of the playing games. Second is the automatic reasoning and theorems proving in supercomputers using in the artificial intelligence based concepts. And automatic reasoning and theorems means ki with help of the supercomputer and AI combinations solve the different type of the problems, and in space research mainly using in AI fields. It is mainly using in the AI fields. And third is the expert system. Expert system mainly using in industries. It performs the specific type of task or job, and it is mainly using for the commercial applications, and it is a capture of the knowledge of the human beings, and it is run the different type of the programs. It is the example of the expert system in the Dendrials, Mycines, Prospectors, Exxon. It is a different type of the specialized based program run in industries, and it performs the specific type of task or jobs. Next is the NLP, natural language processing. Natural language processing means कि understanding the human beings languages. Comes to the different type of the languages कि English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Telugu, German, French. So it is understand to the AI field, and in AI field particular area is the NLP, natural language processing. First you understand the language and then generate the human beings supporting languages. It is the main problem in the computer science fields, and at present time Google mainly using the NLP, natural language processing system. In Google's you say anything in Hindi or English, it is converted into the NLP form. First you understand and then generate the another human beings understanding language. And next area is the neural network. Neural networks, it is a mainly field in AI field and oldest field in AI. Neural networks means neurons based networks. Neuron based networks means human beings comes to the four main parts. First is the neurons, second is the axon, and third is the dendrites, and fourth is the spectrums. Neurons is a main performing the works just like a CPU to support all the controlling activities. Same concept using the human brain's neurons. Neurons controlling all the activities in human beings. Dendrites connect two different neurons. Suppose कि in given one any instructions to hand, then neurons controlling all the activities in hands. कि left move, right move, up move, down move, all the controlling to the neurons. And one neurons connect to the another neurons is using the dendrites. Connect to the dendrites. And second is the axon. Axon is the way connected to the left brain to the right brains. And the spectrum is a liquid form. In human beings' minds, it is a mainly 60 to 70% collection of the liquid forms, and its liquid form is called the spectrum. And neural networks using the different type of the symbolic and systematic approaches systems, and it is using the pattern recognition system. What is a pattern recognition system? Pattern recognition system means कि define the one pattern to how to solve the problems. Then it is a store in knowledge based management systems. Knowledge management system mainly three components. First is the user interface, second is the inference engines, and third is the knowledge database. So send pattern recognition systems using all the three components and store all the steps in pattern recognition system to how to solve the problems. And next field is very important field is genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms means it is provide the better solution and optimized based solution of the any problems, and it is a mainly mutation and crossover the use the generate the member of the future generation. And after 10 years comes to the main field in genetic algorithms. And last next field is the robotics fields. Robotics is a like a human beings faces and given the arms, legs and face, right? So robotics is a comes under the field of AI. Robot perform the automatically work. And last years comes to the corona, so mainly using for the robots for the serving of the different type of the activities. They perform the different type of the activities to the robotics. And robots, it is a very important field in AI. And how do robots work? So robots performing the using the signals and using the intelligent agents. In intelligent agents mainly comes to the three components. First is the sensors, second is the percepts, and third is the environments. Okay, how types of the environments? Okay, natural environments, industry based environment, okay, different type of the environments. Then comes under the robotics, main three fields. And next is the machine learning. Okay, it is mainly comes to the focus to the how to improve your machine performance and given the better results. So main comes to the machine learning, and machine learning also using the statistical formulas and different type of the theories using in the stats. So for example, using the Bayes theorems, and it's also using the mean, variance, different type of the testings, F test, ANOVA test, T test, chi-square test, all the using in the machine learning. And task domain of AI. Task domain of AI comes to the three types: mutations, formal, and expert. Yeah, divided into three types: mutation, formal, and expert. So mutations, perceptions. Perception means you read the vision and speech. Vision mainly using the retina, and speech it's converted into the using the analog forms. Vision and speech. Second is the natural language. Understanding, generation, and translation. Main three works comes under in natural language processing. And third is the common sense reasoning. And fourth is the robot controls. Formal games, chess, backgammons, and mathematics, geometry, logic, integral calculus, proving correctness, etc. And expert systems, engineering fields using in the design, fault finding, manufacturing, planning, scientific analysis, medical diagnosis, financial analysis, etc. It is the expert in the different type of the areas. And next, history of AI. History of AI comes to the 1940 to 1950, and father of AI is John McGrath. Thank you. And history of AI discuss next lectures. Thank you.